In this video, we're going to show you how to calibrate your Bronco Max industrial label printer. First, we're going to make sure your Bronco Max is turned on. Shown by the feed roller button on the side, it'll be blinking a few times, indicating that your premium vinyl supply has not been loaded into the Bronco Max yet. So next, we're going to open up the lid all the way, and then we're going to take our die-cut premium vinyl supply that we'll be calibrating for. You can tell that it is die-cut by the two notches that are in between the labels. Then we're going to take this supply, take the spindle out of the Bronco Max, put that through, put this right into the supply wall of the printer, and then you're going to push the label forward until it's halfway on the platen roller inside. Then you're going to fit the tape guides right to it. Next, you're going to take this feed roller button that we seen earlier. You're going to hold this down to calibrate, and then you're going to shut the lid. You're going to keep holding that feed roller button until a couple labels come out from the printer itself, indicating that it has calibrated. After the die cut labels have come out of the printer, we're going to open back up the lid, and then we're going to roll back those labels so we're not wasting any premium vinyl supply. And you're going to roll it back until it's just halfway on the platen roller again. Make sure that you fit your tape guides again if they became loose. And then after that, we're going to close the lid, and you'll see on the feed roller button, it'll turn green because the supply is loaded in and you're ready to go. And that's how you calibrate your DuraLabel Bronco Max industrial label printer. Take advantage of our free lifetime support or visit our product knowledge base at duralabel.com/support. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.